people, this is your girl Tashnee.V.Mavee. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. And to all my friends and family and subscribers, thank you guys for the love and the support that you've been showing me. I really do appreciate it. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. So guys, today I'm not here to do any tutorial, but I'm here to show you package that I received today. I received a package and I'm so excited because I this is what I received inside my package, and I'm so super excited because when I received a package I was like, oh, a package. And like my husband said to me in the morning before he left, babe, someone's going to call you today, I have something for you. So when I went, I found out when the package came, and I found that my husband actually bought something for me, and which is, let me see, he bought me a 360 JC wig. So it comes into this smaller package here. So I already opened the hair because I just wanted to see what is inside, and this is how the hair looks. I already washed the hair because I normally don't like to put something on my head without washing them first. So before I put anything, doesn't matter if it's something that's clothes, new clothes or whatever, I do wash them first, guys. So this is how the hair looks after I washed the hair. After I washed the hair, this is how, this is it's a kinky wave, it's a deep wave kinky. This is how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead then and try this on my, okay, and before I try it on my head, let me just show you to fix my nail here. That's going to break. So this is how it looks, guys, inside. It's just 360 base wig. So as you can see, this is how it looks. This is the back. It comes with adjustable strips on the side, so you can put it to your own size of head, and this is how it is here. So it doesn't have, it has combs only on the side, you can see on the both sides, like, so this is how it is, guys. So let me just try it on my hair and let's see how it looks. Please don't mind my hair because I'm not finding my stockings, so I did the lines. So. Okay, so let me put this on. It fits very well because I know that I saw the baby hair. It has the baby hair all over, like you see all around here they have this baby hair, but just because I washed it, I think maybe that's why I'm not seeing it. But if you go in and try to push them out or come out, you see it has the baby hair all over, and it's pre-plucked, as you can see, look. But you can go in and do pre-pluck it again if you want. If you are lazy like me, so this is how the hair looks. So I like to open the side parting, so parting space, okay, it won't stay still because I need to adjust the cap. I like to open my hair here like this. This is how I normally wear my wigs, like this, because this is initial curls are like this. So I try to open them up. So the hair looks like this, guys. So it's up to you how you want to do it. You can hold it up like this. You see, you can do anything you want. So I'm just not in the mood to do this today. I'm not in the mood to cut the wig. I just wanted to show you guys when I unbox my hair. So I'll come and do the video where to show you guys how the hair stayed, but you can see now the hair looks like this, guys. So this is how the hair looks, and I think the hair, it's like when I was washing the hair, it did a shade. It did have a minimal shade. It did shade. So when I was busy, and now you can see, let me see if this is comes from here. No, I think it's from the other hair that I was using. Let's see. I just want to see, you see I'm using this, I just want to see what happens if I try to brush this hair. I like to open my own curls. Actually, I do. But if you put it inside the water, they go back to this curls here. But I just like to blow my own out. As you can see, like here, I'm blowing them out. So it does have shading. You can see this. I don't know if you can see that, just small strand there. See, it's, you can see there it's shading, so it's not something that you cannot handle. So this, it's 150 density. The density that I have here, it's 150 density. So see, this is how I like my weave to be like fuller. So I just have to, it's not staying still because they kept it loose. So, and hey, please don't wear your weaves like this. There are girls who wear weaves like here. How can you put your weave here? Like seriously? Like, how can be someone put a weave here on their forehead, and someone will be smiling like one, you know, someone will be like feeling themselves with the weave here on your forehead. Now, girl, please, the weave doesn't stay on your forehead. The weave has to go. You see where you have the lines, where your hair starts, that's where you have to put your weave. You just have to go there and do this. I need to bleach the knots because, as you can see, this is too light for my skin color, so I need to bleach. So you just take this, press it on where your hair starts there. That's how you see my hair starts there. There's no one who has a hair that starts here. Otherwise, if I never saw you before, because I never met a person who has the hair that starts here. We know, stop making. We know that stop making the fake hair. Stop making the weave to look obvious that it's not your hair. Please, there's no weave that starts here. How can you walk on the street and like, huh? This is how people have their own wigs. Like this, they just cut out this, and they'll have their hair on the eye, and they will be having their hair on the eyebrows, like serious girl, and you'll be there doing Snapchat and posting on Instagram and like one, and you'll be slay queen that doesn't know how to use a weave. The weave doesn't go here, please. Where your hair starts, that's where you have to start. Otherwise, there are people that have hair until, you know, doesn't mean you have to follow your hair until down, but just start where your hair starts. You see my hair starts here. You see, look, I want to show you something. My hair starts here. You see where there's my you can see my nail. That's where I put my weave, because that's not where my hair starts. So Okay guys, so this is the 360 lace wig. As you can see, it's a kinky wave. It's a kinky deep wave kinky. It's kinky. It's a deep wave kinky. So this is how it looks. And yeah, so I blow up my curls using this comb, because the curls are like, this is the curls on the hair. You see, this is the curls, but you see here the curls are more open because I'm using this to take them out. See, I use this to take the curls out. But if I put it inside the water, if I want to wash, if I want this curls to come back, I can just put it inside the water. It's not a water wave, mind you, it's not a water wave, but I've noticed that when I was washing it, I did blow the hair out before washing it. I did using this, I did like push them, and the hair was like straight, not so straight, but looking as if it's a straight hair. You see there's a difference between this and the difference between the hair that I have underneath here and this. So after I pushed it with this, when I put it inside my conditioner when I conditioned the hair, it went back to the curls. See, but this is, like I told you, this is 150 density, and this is how the hair looks when I blow the hair out. So guys, I just wanted to come in quick and show you guys this because I'm going somewhere. I'll come and show you guys the finishing of all this, but maybe I'll be doing it with, because I'm not sure I'm going to come back and do it today, where I should be cutting the lace, showing you guys how I cut off my lace, and I use got to be glue to put it on my hair. So I'm not gonna show you guys this today because I'm going somewhere, so automatically I can do it after 2 days or so. It depends if I'm busy or not, but I just wanted to come and share you guys with you this hair, how good, just is this baby. I just wanted to come and show you how my hair looks before I start rolling it, and before you guys, so that you can see how it looks like when it comes out of the box. So this one, have you got for me, it's a kinky deep wave, and the deep kinky. So thank you guys, thank you for the love, thank you for the support, and hey, if you're not subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. So right now, this baby is the one. Bye. I shall come again and show you guys when cut the lace and everything. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye bye.